Alright, so because I'm an idiot and I keep pressing buttons, also went to call my dad, check if he was okay. Uh, I guess literally every video I do from now on is gonna be a two-part video. If it's done with my phone anyway. But yeah. Well, pretty much, unlike the last few minutes, at the time when I started recording, it's 3:56 p.m. Central Standard Time. So, wait, is it CST or is it CDT? I think it's Central Daylight Time, Central Standard Time. I'm not sure. It's Central Time. Simple as that. But yeah. Pretty much just riding out the storm in my car. Well, my mom's car. So yeah. I might go grab the keys and start it up in a minute, but I'm not sure. I mean, I kind of just want to, like, sit in, like, just drive for this thing. But yeah. Pretty sure they should be turning on the sirens in another minute. I'm going to be going over a friend's house, or more notably, my friend's sister's house. Well, he's not necessarily my friend. I would never know if it weren't for my mom to meet him. But yeah, we're going to be going over his sister's house. I'm pretty sure the sirens will be going off there too, because whatever is happening in Memphis is also happening in Beartown. I'm not sure if it's called South Haven or Horn Lake. No, South Haven's... Well, yeah, South Haven's a town, city, or whatever. And then Horn Lake... I don't really know. But yeah, we're going to be going over her place. And when we arrive there, I guess is when I'll be ending this video. I guess. I'm not sure. Yeah. Also forgot to mention that we have a sunroof and there's a mosquito in my car. Die, idiot. Die. Where is he at? I think I killed him. Mosquitoes do not matter. Oh, they turned them on again. I don't know why, but I just like... My freaking heart just starts pounding the moment it happens. I'm gonna go get under the car porch. Oh, yeah, you can really hear that P50. Oh, frick. Okay. Now we're good to hear it. Is that another car? Oh, jeez. I like how I just gave one of my classmates my phone number, and he's just casually texting me for this. Almost like he just doesn't give a crap. Oh, yes. I don't know why, but there's just something so interesting about siren ambience. Stop interrupting me. But I have a feeling that it really is the sirens or the warning systems that makes a tornado more scary than the actual thing itself is. Now, seeing the tornado head straight for you, that's terrifying as heck. I've never had that experience, and I wish to never have that experience. But, like, there's something about hearing the sirens go off that just scares the crap out of you. But it's still kind of, like, soothing in a way to just listen to them. I don't know why. But, yeah. noticed that some of my neighbors aren't home. Yeah, those sirens are really going ham. So, I remember the last time I didn't record. Mainly because I didn't have my phone. And then, I was on a Zoom meeting with my Canadian friend. So, yeah. And besides what I look like recording with, like, a fat old tablet. But yeah. But my cousin has a video on his tablet from his perspective. I think the P50 is closer to his house, which is just down the street from us. Like, you take that right there, you head up the street, go past the T128 at the church, and then you just keep going down that street. And it's like this little beige house towards the end of that street. And, yeah. We actually used to live there before we moved into this house, the one that we stay at currently. And he had a video of the previous tornado. Well, it was a watch. There wasn't an actual tornado that touched down. But, yeah. I wonder why they never used the attack mode at all. And the fact that they just don't keep them running. Like, they let them run for like a few minutes and they shut them off. And then they turn them on again. I honestly don't understand the ideology behind that. But yeah. Oh well, I guess. Anyway. Definitely have a feeling that I'm going to immediately interview my classmates the moment I get to school tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, we're pretty much just chilling here. While others are probably frantically screaming and going out of their minds. Nobody has a basement in this town unless you built your house with a basement, which most people buy houses instead of building them. So, yeah. You always got your occasional car going around. Dang, yep, that's getting a little intense to my liking. Oh, dang. Yeah, that's getting quite intense. Come on, let's go. Oh, yep, that's intense. Get in the door. Oh, another car. Okay. Dang, that's intense. She got the bag. Go, 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 go. Oh, goodness. No, the packet. Oh, jeez. Soaked.
Put it in there. In your folder.
My folder? Oh, jeez.
Look in there and see if my umbrella's in there.
Should be. Yep.
Okay.
You good. Jeez. Alright, let's go. Oh, man.
Oh, goodness.
That's pretty bad. Should be ending in like the next 10 minutes. I want to turn your lights on. Oh, like actually turn your lights on. Yo, I'll do it. There we go. Oh yeah, I forgot to dimmer switch.
Oh.
Alright. Tornadoes near us, I'm just going to tell you I can't see it because of the windows.
Near us where?
I said if it's near us. I'm not saying that it is. Oh, right. I should have stayed in the car.
Oh, my God.
aren't going to go in the direction of the tornado, and I never wish to be in the path of one. But I'm just kind of documenting on my experience with the situation. Those hazard lights are on. Oh, saw lightning strike. Some guy was turning. Oh, that's not good. That's too much rain. I wouldn't be able to see it. Not sure if it's 60 right now.
Packets and sort of put them in front of the thing. Maybe they'll try.
In front of the what? Oh, man.
Are they really bad?
Yeah, that one. That one.
It's just the one in the front.
Yeah. Wow.
Kim, you don't care.
It isn't gonna really right in it though, so I'm not sure what to tell you. That's
Maybe the other one's kind of the ones in the middle. Put this in your folder. That way it'll be flat.
alright.
Let me put it in because you put it in like you don't care.
Because, like, my folder's already got a huge deck. Don't shove them on that side, I already got enough. Oh.
Yeah, it's only for a few minutes.